Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that just simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is going to help you out perfectly in the kitchen, and it is a meat slicer. This thing is really, really cool. So this is sent over by a company called Once For All. This is the box it's going to come in. Naturally, you are going to get an instruction manual, but we're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. Then you're going to get all the parts in pieces. So first off, you're going to get the little base station here. You're going to get the bottom part and then the top part. They come apart easily, so that way it makes it easy to wash this and keep it clean. It just slides in place. It does have a little kind of, I don't know what you would call this, a little lever here on the back, because what it does is it has a suction cup. So once you set it down on a surface, just simply pull it and then it's going to stick nice. Now, if you have like a nice granite countertop, it's going to stick very, very well. Not so much to the laminate. It kind of still moves a little bit. In addition to that, you are going to get two different types of cleaning brushes to make sure it's all nice and optimal clean. You're also going to get a blade sharpener, so that way when you're slicing through the meat, it stays nice and clean. Now, if you want to store these, they include a nice little storage, little rack here, a little piece. It's just made out of plastic. It's adjustable. It has a sticky side, but you can hang this somewhere, put it on your pantry door or whatnot, and just simply put on your brushes as you wish. So it is nice and stored. You don't lose the parts when you're not utilizing it. But then here is the meat slicer itself. So it has a nice little protection on here. It is nice and sharp. And as you can see, here are the blades. It's clearly marked which side is up. And how you're going to utilize this is you're going to take, this is going to be great if you're making like fajitas. Maybe you're wanting to make like diced hams for omelets. Maybe you're wanting to just make thin slices of meat that are going to be put on a charcuterie board. You can utilize that for this. So you're just going to pre-cut your meat to where it fits in this little pocket on here. And then you're just going to place it down and kind of saw through that meat and put them into those nice small chunks. And it just kind of gets you ready and then once it's done, just pull it off and then you can pull out and separate the meat. Now this thing does have two different sizes. So right now I have on here the 2mm size. There is a little section on the bottom. Press that and simply pull this up and out. And now you can see it's a much bigger size. So this is going to be set for your 4mm size when utilizing it. So if you do want those thicker slabs, you can do that. Once again, same part, line it up with the holes, and then just slide down through your meat, and it makes perfect even cuts. All the cuts are nice and together. Now to give you an idea, the size of this thing, it's about 6 3/4 inches long. It's all made out of nice, super sharp stainless steel blades. So do not keep your fingers on the edges here because you don't want to slice them or anything. And it can slice, if with the other device, it's going to be able to do 18 thin slices in here. So that's how many totally max it has. Now, as far as maintaining this thing, you can put this in the dishwasher on the top shelf as long as your dishwasher doesn't have heat dry. So like mine, it just circulates the air. It doesn't have heat dry. Easily put it on there. You're good to go. But if it does have heat dry, then you should hand wash it because that heat could end up warping these little pieces in here. So just do keep that in mind. But overall, it works really, really well. Like I said, it's going to work great on pork, beef, salmon, great for appetizers, great for doing minced meat for like your omelets. You can do diced, minced, strips, slices, all different sizes, all different thicknesses. Works really, really well. What it does not work on is obviously anything with bones, because it's not going to be able to slice through those bones. It's not going to work on frozen meat, so make sure your meat is fully thawed. And it's not going to work on the thin deli meat because it just can't cut through those. They're too flimsy, so it needs to be thicker slices when going through it. But if you're looking for a really cool kitchen tool to make slicing meat a lot easier, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.